Hello friends, myself Dr. Uddhav Bhale, Professor, Department of Botany, Art Science Commerce College, Narduk Talaka, Tuzapur District, Usmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Maratha Institute, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Once again, here I am presenting the multiple choice question number 5, that is MCQ number 5, with its question and answer based on plant pathology, that is elective paper number 20. Nowadays, due to the COVID-19, all universities are going to be conducted the examination based on the multiple choice question, online and offline. Keeping this view in my mind, here again I am representing the 20 multiple choice questions. So let us see the first question, that is classification of plant diseases based on dash. Their options are A. Symptoms, B. Cause organism, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is, that is C. That is both A and B, means classification based on symptoms and cause organism. Question number 2. Protozoa is a dash type of organism. Their options are A. Animate, B. Inanimate, C. Both A and B, D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. That is protozoa is a animate type of organism. Question number 3, that is Clavicis fujiformis is a causal organism of A. Green smut of jawar, B. Black stem rust of wheat, C. Wilt of pigeon pea, and D. Ergot of bajra. The correct answer is D, that is ergot of bajra. Question number 4, Columella is present in dash. Their options are A. Fuchsia remodum, B. Puccinia gramis titici, C. Specialitheca swargai, D. Clavicis fujiformis. The correct answer is C, that is a Specialitheca swargai. Question number 5, perithecial fruiting body is developed in dash. Their options are A. Puccinia gramis titici, B. Specialitheca swargai, C. Fuchsia remodum, D. Clavicis fujiformis. The correct answer is D, that is Clavicis fujiformis. Question number 6, asciospores are developed on dash surface of barberry plants. The correct their options are A. Lower, B. Upper, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. Asciospores are developed. The correct answer is D, that is the correct answer is that is the lower part of the barberry plants. Question number 7, that is what is the common important methods to control the disease? Their options are A. Resistant varieties, B. Use of fungicides, C. Crop rotation, D. Clean seeds. The correct answer is C, that is a crop rotation. Question number 8, ascospores are developed in dash. The correct options are A. Clavicis fujiformis, B. Puccinia gramis titici, C. Specialitheca swargai, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C, that is a Specialitheca swargai. Question number 9, the organisms that cause disease are called A. Vectors, B. Pathogens, C. Reservoirs, D. Symptoms. And the correct answer is B, that is called as pathogens. Question number 10, diethane M45 is a dash. Their options are, that is A. Antibiotics, B. Herbicides, C. Fungicides, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is C, that is fungicides. Question number 11, symptoms are basically how many categories? Categorized. That is, their options are A. 1 category, B. 4 category, C. 2 category, D. 3 category. Generally, the symptoms are categorized into 4 category, and the correct answer is, that is B. Question number 12, diabetic disease is a dash. A. Hypertrophy, B. Necrosis, C. Hypotrophy, and D. Chlorosis. And the correct answer is B, that is a necrosis. Question number 13, smut diseases are fall on dash. Options are A. Vegetables, B. Pulses, C. Oil crops, D. Cereals. And the correct answer is D, that is the cereals. Smut diseases are present on that cereal plants. Question number 14, stamens are converted into leafy structures are called Their options are A. Hypertrophy, B. Necrosis, C. Hypotrophy, D. Chlorosis. The correct answer is C. There is a hypotrophy. Question number 15. Nematodes is a dieback disease. A. Parasitic, B. Non-parasitic, C. Viruses, D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. That is a parasitic disease. Question number 16. There is a little lipobrinjal is a dieback disease. There is A. Hypotrophy, B. Hypertrophy, C. Necrosis, D. Chlorosis. The correct answer is A. There is a hypotrophy. Question number 17. Transformation of floral parts into green leafy twisted structures is called. Their options are fungal disease, B. Bacterial disease, C. Mycoplasmal disease, D. Viral disease. And the correct option is C. There is a mycoplasmal disease. Question number 18. Black rot of onion is caused by A. Fusarium oxysporum, B. Aspergillus niger, C. Alternaria alternata, D. Erysipe polygony. And the correct answer is that is B. Aspergillus niger. Question number 19. Angular leaf spot of cotton is caused by. Their options are A. Xanthomonas citri, B. Xanthomonas malvacearum, C. Xanthomonas pisci, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. That is Xanthomonas malvacearum. Question number 20. Rust of euphorbia is caused by. Their options are A. Sclerotium ralphisi, B. Alternaria solani, C. Melamspora euphorbia, D. Speciartheca sorghai. And the correct answer is C. That is a Melamspora euphorbia. So this is all about the 20 multiple choice question based on the plant pathology. If you are not subscribed my channel, that is Uddhav Bhale, please subscribe my channel, share to others, like, and thank you.